Best DJ controllers. The demand for the best DJ controllers continues to rise as more creators, hobbyists, and performers seek reliable tools that enhance mixing skills and elevate live sets. Today's buyers want controllers that offer premium build quality, intuitive layouts, smooth jog wheels, and strong value for money. This guide evaluates versatility, software compatibility, performance features, and durability to help you choose the perfect controller, whether you're a beginner, a mobile DJ, or an advanced performer shaping your signature sound.
Product number 1. Numark DJ2G02 Touch Compact DJ Controller. The Numark DJ2G02 Touch is one of the most portable and beginner-friendly DJ controllers available, ideal for DJs who need something lightweight yet surprisingly capable. Despite its tiny size, it offers responsive touch cap jog wheels that enable real scratching, a big upgrade from the original model. The built-in audio interface allows seamless cueing and mixing, making it a real plug-and-play device with Serato DJ Lite. Its intuitive layout includes essential features such as a crossfader, pitch sliders, performance pads, and filter knobs, perfect for practicing on the go or setting up a quick party mix. The controller's compact build doesn't compromise durability, delivering solid performance even with frequent travel. Overall, the DJ2G02 Touch is a smart choice for beginners or as a backup controller for pros needing portability without sacrificing essential control.
Product number 2. Numark Mixtrack Platinum FX Serato DJ Controller. The Numark Mixtrack Platinum FX is a powerful mid-range controller built for DJs who want deeper control and pro-level features without overspending. It stands out with its large 6-inch jog wheels that include high-resolution color displays showing BPM, time remaining, pitch range, and more, making mixing more precise and intuitive. The dedicated FX paddles give users instant hands-on control over Serato effects, enhancing creativity during live performances. Its 24-bit audio interface ensures clean sound output, while the long pitch sliders are excellent for beat matching practice. With 16 performance pads, loop controls, and a sturdy overall design, the Platinum FX is both beginner-friendly and advanced capable. The controller's layout feels comfortable and professional, making it an ideal upgrade for DJs ready to move into more expressive mixing.
Product number 3. Pioneer DJ DDJ FLX4 2-deck record box and Serato DJ controller. The Pioneer DJ DDJ FLX4 is one of the most popular entry to mid-level controllers thanks to its premium feel, modern features, and top-tier software compatibility. Supporting both Rekordbox and Serato DJ, it offers new DJs flexibility and an easy learning curve while maintaining Pioneer's classic club-style layout. Its smart mixing features, Smart Fader and Smart CFX, simplify transitions without sacrificing creativity, making it ideal for beginners improving flow control. The build quality is excellent, with smooth jog wheels, sturdy faders, and an intuitive interface that closely resembles professional Pioneer gear. The USB-C connectivity and Bluetooth streaming options allow for effortless setup with laptops, tablets, and even smartphones. Whether you're streaming mixes online or playing live at events, the DDJ FLX4 delivers reliability, impressive sound, and long-term value.
Product number 4. Hercules DJ Control Impulse. The Hercules DJ Control Impulse series is engineered specifically for beginners who want strong guidance while learning DJ fundamentals. With built-in training features like light-up beat match guides and access to DJ software learning modules, it provides a structured path for developing essential skills. The jog wheels are responsive, the performance pads feel good for triggering samples and cues, and the overall layout is intuitive for new DJs. The Intelligent Music Assistant, or IMA, helps suggest tracks that fit your set's energy, making playlist building easier. It's lightweight yet durable enough for regular use, and the integrated audio interface simplifies setup. For learners who want a supportive, educational starting point that still feels like a real controller, the DJ Control Impulse offers excellent value and a smooth way into DJing. Product number 5. XDJ All 4-Channel DJ System. The XDJ All 4-Channel DJ System is designed for advanced DJs who want a professional, standalone mixing experience without needing a laptop. With 4 full channels, large jog wheels, and built-in performance settings, it mirrors the feel of high-end club systems. Its robust construction and intuitive layout make it ideal for live events, mobile gigs, or studio mixing. The full-color display, extensive effect options, and flexible input-output ports allow deep customization and pro-level control. Whether mixing from USB drives or external gear, the XDJ All 4-Channel DJ system delivers stable performance and excellent sound quality. It's a powerful all-in-one unit, perfect for DJs seeking reliability, versatility, and a commanding presence in any performance environment.